Alright, what's going on everyone? Welcome back to another video. So before we get into it here, I just want you guys to know I am no professional trader. I'm no financial advisor. I'm not trying to teach anybody anything. I'm not trying to sell anybody anything. These videos are to be looked at as entertainment purposes only. But without further ado, let's get straight into it. Alright, so getting straight into it here, I'm actually going to be going over the live account in a little bit. There's going to be a timestamp on screen right now for you guys if you just want to skip all this other talk about the other account and just go straight to the talking about the live funded account. And yes, I still do have it after a month of trading on it. But yeah, guys, so we're just going to kind of start on this other account that I have been trading for almost 3 months consecutively now, sticking to this same strategy for 3 months, not making any changes, just managing my emotions and executing the trades, following the system that I had back tested and spent a lot of time understanding and really diving deep into it. So let's just kind of get into the statistics here. Kind of going top down. As you can see, the overall gain here is about 10.69%. So we are in profit overall on the account. Like, in the bigger picture of things, we are in profit. Now, on a smaller time scale, I have been having a lot of trouble for the past week. Not emotionally, the markets just haven't been really conducive. As you can see, the past month of trading, pretty much ever since the beginning of October, we actually have a very minor loss. So as we scroll down here, you see that I closed out the month of October with a minus 1.72%. As of the moment for November, I am down a little less than 1%. It's only the 5th of November, so you know, it doesn't matter. But here in September, I actually had a huge month. And this is why it's so important for traders to just follow the plan, execute their trades, and understand how long their strategy takes to actually play out. You know, it helps you understand a lot of things and you're able to manage your emotions a lot better. But understanding that things like this do happen, a lot of traders, you know, in the losing periods, they would have this huge, insane month and it would be super easy for them to follow the plan. But what about in October? They're going to switch things up. They're going to think something's wrong, but in reality, they just don't understand their strategy. But going back to the top here, the monthly drawdown. So the drawdown overall that I've had on the account, the biggest drawdown that I've had in a short time span was 5.63% before I started, you know, making money again. So just a 5.63%. On the monthly overall drawdown, I've only had a 3.9% drawdown. This is the numerical value of the balance on the account. This is the numerical value of the equity on the account. The highest the account has ever been to, this is not equity, this is balance right here, was $117,445.21. That's quite a lot. You know, in 2.5 months, that was 17%, which was pretty crazy. The profit though, there's the numerical value for the amount of profits. So in 3 months, that is half of a full-time minimum wage job. In a little less than 3 months, that is a little less than half of a full-time minimum wage job. You see that I updated it 6 minutes ago. Let me just go ahead and refresh for you guys to show you guys, like, you know, this is, even though it is a demo trading account, if you guys have been following me, but the thing is like, I was using this to gain confidence, but I've actually, since I'm not emotionally attached to it because it's not real money, I'm able to see my strategy in forward testing. Like I said, timestamp on the video once again for the live funded account, you know, an account that is live, actually working towards something. But timestamp will be on screen right now for that. All right, so looking at the chart here, nothing to say about it. You can see pretty much we started October here. When did we start October? So the beginning of October was 12.83%, and we ended started November pretty much here at 11.62%. So that was pretty much a loss. You can see this month. Unfortunately, right here, it says that November is 0.83% loss. We ended October with a 1.72% loss, so it's 2% loss. Like, I'm really not worried about it because I have alternative incomes. I have money saved in my bank account like months on end so I can pay my bills. Just like, guys, just understanding and getting your own personal finances in order first before you focus on trading. If you don't have a lot of money in your bank account and you don't have a job, you will set yourself up for failure in trading. It's not a get rich quick thing. This is wealth creation, not wealth. This is wealth creation, not fucking get rich quick, guys. Like, you know, I understand that in the industry, it's really hard to understand that because of what we see, and we really want that for ourselves. But you guys got to understand that if you don't have your own personal finances in order, you will never be able to be successful with this, because you will just be putting too much stress on your emotions, and it'll be bad. Once again, timestamp on screen right now of me talking about the live account, the My Forex Funds funded account. Moving down here to the statistics for the percentage gains and the profit loss and stuff like that. So today is currently Saturday. I'll pull it up here. It's Saturday the 5th, 6 o'clock in the morning. For the longest time now, I'd say a couple months, my body has naturally been waking me up super early. Sometimes I just stay up through the night and then kind of sleep throughout the day or whatever. Just happens sometimes, not all the time. But yeah, so today we didn't make anything because it's Saturday, obviously. This past week here, you see that we did lose 2%. So this past week was where my drawdown happened. I would have ended October in profits, just like literally 1% in profit. But even a 2% loss, I'm not really worried about it. Yeah, just 1.5% loss this week, pretty much. Nothing to say about it there. It's, just managing my risk, following my plan, understanding my plan. Even though I've been in a loss for the past month, I still feel very confident in my strategy that it's going to work. Like, I understand I'm not going to win every trade, blah, 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 blah. Trading fundamentals, stuff like that. I'm not really going to go into it. This year, you can see we are overall still in profit. So on the year, I'm profitable, but for the past month, I was not profitable. That's where having a couple months worth of bills saved up, that's where that comes into play. Less emotional stress. I'm not forced to make money every single month, leading to self-sabotage. So just getting your personal finances in order. Once again, trades 237. So if you guys know, take 2 trades per trade idea. So 237 divided by 2 is a little over 100. I don't know the exact number, like 115 different trades. So over the course of 115 different trades, my strategy has showed me that it is profitable in forward testing. So I will be getting a personal account up and running again. It's been a couple months since I've done that. That's kind of a part of trading, is sometimes you got to stop trading the live money and go back to a demo and really not start from scratch, but go back to the drawing board. And that's what I did. And, I brought you guys along for that journey. That's the purpose of this YouTube channel. But yeah, over the course of 115 trades, almost 3 months of trading, 1 quarter of trading, you see that we are overall in profit of 11%. So there is that. We are averaging a 48% win rate so far. I'm in a drawdown period for the past month, so I don't expect anything. I just understand that you're gonna have winning streaks, and you're gonna have winning periods, and you're gonna have losing periods. I know that my losing period will come to an end eventually. I don't know when. I just know that I have to stick it out, and I know that my winning period is coming, so I'm just gonna keep executing my trade. So pips is 1,921. That's how many pips I'm in profit. Blah, blah, blah. I'm just gonna skip all this crap just because it's useless information. You can see that both my longs and my shorts are actually profitable, so that's really, really good. Average trade length is about 2 days, so I am executing a trade one day and I'm holding those trades for at least 2 days. Like, I'm holding trades over the weekends, and I'm a swing trader. Like, I don't like to sit in front of the charts. I like to have purpose in my life. I like to go out and enjoy my life, and swing trading allows me to have a alternative income, otherwise known as a job. And then I do have a couple other incomes outside of a job. So I work part-time and just pretty much the weekends, just a couple days a week, and I work part-time, and I have 3 other incomes excluding trading, which I might talk about in the future. But with that said, here is that account that I've been trading for a very long time. Most traders can't even be this consistent. So with that said, we're gonna move over to the My Forex Funds live account here. This is the funded account. As you can see, we are still active. Here is my certificate for. This is the certificate you get when you pass phase 2 and move on to your live funded account. I have shown that many, many times. If you guys have been following me for a while, you would know I am funded and legit. I brought you guys along that whole journey. Make sure to go back in my older videos and check those out for kind of checking out how I did it, I guess, and the emotional struggles I went through. As you can see, this equity curve, you see that we were in profit. Now, shoulda, coulda, woulda, but I was shooting for 6%, so I actually should have closed my profits when I was 2%. 2% is a reasonable profit target. It's just in September I had a massive month. So like in September I had a massive month, so I thought that was normal, and it wasn't. but I should have closed, should have closed profits when I was $200 in profit, and I should have just taken that for $125 profit split or something. But as you can see from that point, we just kind of been going down. You see that we still haven't breached, we haven't gone lower than that initial drawdown, but we are getting pretty close to it. You see we're on our balance, we are about 4%, a little less than 4%, like 3.82, some odd number like that. But we are down on the account about 4% here. Net profit and loss is almost 4%. Equity here, so I would say 5% just to be generous there. But yeah, we're averaging a 40% win rate so far on the live account. Like I said, it's just, you know, we've been in a drawdown period for the past month, and that's very unfortunate, but that's how trading is. You're not gonna be profitable every month, guys. Like, I cannot say it enough. It's just, you know, that the whole industry thing, a lot of people think that just because of the people standing in front of Lamborghinis and stuff, they don't really portray the reality of things in terms of trading, and they're just trying to sell you something, and that lifestyle is actually funded by the money they're taking out of your pocket. And that's the hard truth of it. Some of them may be legit traders, but I highly doubt it. They're just absolute killers with the marketing. But yeah, guys, that's pretty much been the month of trading. I was supposed to get a payout on the 3rd of November. So as you can see, days since the first trade, 32, evaluation funded live account. I've had the account for 32 days. So as you guys would know, you can look at the statistics on my Forex funds. Only 1% of people, 1% of all of the people, of the thousands of people that get accounts every single month on challenges, 1% of them are able to make it to that first payout period. Now, I haven't gotten a payout yet, but the first payout period comes 1 month after you get the live account. I have made it past, I still have the account 1 month. I've been in a drawdown pretty much the entire month. Like at this point right here, this is when most traders would start losing their shit, is when they're in profit on the account and then they just get slammed right down into drawdown. So most people would lose their shit. I didn't. I understand that happens sometimes. I managed my risk, all that kind of stuff, right? But 1% of people are able to make it to that first payout. I don't want to say I'm that 1% because I haven't gotten a payout yet, but you can see that I still have the account, and I still have 7% on the account that I can afford to lose, but I only need to make 4% to be able to get back to break even and a little bit in profit. But yeah, guys, that's been pretty much the video. I don't know what to talk about. You know, I haven't really had any emotional struggles this week. Like, sure, yeah, I see that I'm in a drawdown, but it's come to a point with my trading where I'm not emotionally affected by that anymore. And I think it's because I have those alternate incomes. I really don't care. You're really gonna clean yourself in front of them, really? But, you know, I really don't care for my trading anymore. And I think that's why I'm not emotionally affected by sitting in a drawdown. And also, it might be the point where I kind of do want to lose this account, so I'm gonna try my best not to, but it'll be an excuse to instantly start up a $100,000 funded account challenge, because that's gonna be the next thing. Is, you know, once I get my first payout, or if I fail, I'm just gonna go do a $100,000 account. So, but yeah, guys, once again, that's been the video. I hope you guys did enjoy. Literally no emotional distress from me on this. I've been doing this for a little over 4 years now, and it's just gotten to a point where my trading it's stress-free for me. Even when I'm losing money, it's stress-free because I have a very, very deep understanding of myself and my strategy finally. It took a long time, but I did the work that was necessary, and I have a lot more work to go. But yeah, for the third time, like I do in every video, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. This channel has been doing absolutely insane, a lot better than I ever thought it could. But the channel has been doing absolutely amazing thanks to you guys. You've been supporting the channel, liking the videos, and we've been just getting a lot of views, and I really appreciate you guys for that. If you guys want to see more videos of me just being super transparent, I upload my trading results every single week. I break down my metrics for the accounts that I'm trading. I do it every single week, win or lose, obviously, as you guys can see. Win or lose, no ego, no nothing, just being transparent with you guys, showing you the reality of trading. And yeah, if you want to see more of that stuff, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Comment down below on what you guys think I should be doing next, what you guys want to see next, and how I could be making the videos more entertaining. But with that said, I hope you guys have a good rest of your day, good rest of your trading week. Good luck next week. Better times are coming. But with that said, peace out.